Alright, let's create our own movie. We have two options, use a concept or start from scratch. With a concept, we can leverage AI to help us. We'll input a prompt to create the story. The manual approach allows for more detail. Let's start with the concept, but we'll look at both. For the concept, you'd input your prompt here. You'd also specify the genre and tone of the short film. You can add narration if you want, though I won't in this demo. For making your short films, I recommend using an AI chat tool called LTX Studio prompter. Basically, you tell it what you want in the scene and it gives you a prompt with the description, cinematic style, and even special camera instructions. We'll put the prompt here, specify the genre we want, and click next. It'll generate different synopses and we can choose the one that fits best. As you can see, we have two options here. We could choose one or generate more if we wanted. We'd click next after selecting our preferred one. It'll then load the project name and our desired relationship. We can also change the video style used in this project. It'll create characters for our short film too. We'll click next, and that's when the magic starts happening. Here, it breaks down the different scenes for our short film. We'd click next, and the images start generating. Let's take a look at what it's created. It's generated all these main images. We had a brief description for each, but the AI does this automatically based on the prompt and other instructions. It's also determined the location for the entire scene, so we don't need to worry about that. As you can see, it's generated this whole section with all these images. We could then convert these into video by clicking generate. I won't show this specific video, but I'll show you one I've already made, which is this one here. After generating the images, we'd click the button in the top left corner of this video section to view the entire video sequence. Let me tell you, there's one for each section. This is the first part of the story, then the second, the third. Usually it gives us 3, but we can add more if we want. For each one, we can also generate all the images and videos to create a full preview of the entire video. Let's hit play. As you can see from that initial image, it's generating different videos. I won't bore you by showing it all, but these are the options you have with this program. Also, it's fully customizable. You can change this description here. We have a video showing all the options this program offers. If you want to know more, we show you everything. Lastly, if you start a blank project, it would look like this. Starting from the third section, we found ourselves with the option to do it conceptually. Here you'd need to input the project name and all these details the program has generated for us. We only had to manually input the characters. We'd start the project and here we could begin adding the scene description and so on. But we had to do everything manually. Set the location, choose the style if we wanted to change it, add a voice here. But as I mentioned earlier, all these options are explained in detail in a video, so let's take a look at it.